Are you a car enthusiast? Do you know the difference between manual transmission, automatic transmission, and CVT? If not, don't worry because you're not alone. Many people find themselves confused when it comes to choosing the right type of transmission for their vehicle. In this video, we're going to compare the 3 most common types of transmissions and see which one comes out on top. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting, this video will provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision about which transmission type is right for you. So, buckle up and let's get started. Manual, automatic, and continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, are 3 of the most common types of transmissions found in vehicles today. Each transmission type operates in a different way, providing unique driving experiences and performance characteristics. Manual transmissions, also known as stick shifts, use a clutch pedal and a gear shift to manually change gears. Drivers must use a combination of the clutch and gear shift to match the engine's RPM to the vehicle's speed. This type of transmission is popular among driving enthusiasts due to the level of control and engagement it provides. Automatic transmissions, on the other hand, use a torque converter to automatically shift gears without the need for a clutch pedal or gear shift. The vehicle's onboard computer system determines when to shift gears based on factors such as engine speed, vehicle speed, and throttle position. This type of transmission is more convenient for everyday driving and is generally considered easier to use than a manual transmission. CVTs are a newer type of transmission that uses a belt and pulley system to provide an infinite number of gear ratios. This allows the engine to operate at its most efficient RPM at all times, resulting in better fuel economy. CVTs also offer a smooth and seamless driving experience as there are no traditional gears to shift. Each type of transmission has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Manual transmissions are typically less expensive and offer greater control and engagement, but can be more difficult to use and less convenient in heavy traffic. Automatic transmissions are easier to use and offer a more convenient driving experience, but can be more expensive and less engaging. CVTs offer superior fuel economy and a smooth driving experience, but can be more expensive to repair and may not be as engaging as a manual transmission. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into the pros and cons of each transmission type to help you decide which one is right for you. Each type of transmission has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and understanding these can help you decide which one is right for your driving needs. Manual transmissions offer greater control and engagement for the driver as they allow the driver to manually select the gear they want to be in. This can be especially beneficial for driving on steep hills or in snowy or slippery conditions. Additionally, manual transmissions tend to be less expensive to repair and maintain than automatic transmissions. However, they can be more difficult to use, especially for inexperienced drivers, and can be less convenient in heavy traffic. Automatic transmissions offer a more convenient driving experience as they don't require the driver to manually shift gears. This can be especially beneficial for stop-and-go traffic or long commutes. Additionally, automatic transmissions tend to be more reliable and require less maintenance than manual transmissions. However, they can be more expensive to repair and maintain and may not offer the same level of control and engagement as a manual transmission. CVTs offer superior fuel economy as they allow the engine to operate at its most efficient RPM at all times. Additionally, they provide a smooth and seamless driving experience as there are no traditional gears to shift. However, CVTs can be more expensive to repair and maintain and may not be as engaging as a manual transmission. Ultimately, the best transmission type for you will depend on your driving needs and preferences. If you value control and engagement, a manual transmission may be the best choice for you. If you prioritize convenience and ease of use, an automatic transmission may be the better option. If you're looking for the best fuel economy and a smooth driving experience, a CVT may be the way to go. In the next section, we'll compare the driving experiences of each transmission type to give you a better idea of what to expect on the road. The driving experience can vary significantly between different transmission types, and it's important to understand these differences when choosing the right transmission for your needs. Manual transmissions offer a more engaging driving experience, as the driver must manually shift gears using a clutch and gear shift. This can be especially beneficial for driving enthusiasts, as it allows them to feel more connected to the vehicle and the road. However, manual transmissions can be more challenging to use, especially in heavy traffic or on steep hills. automatic transmissions offer a more convenient driving experience as they don't require the driver to manually shift gears. This can be especially beneficial for long commutes or stop-and-go traffic. Additionally, automatic transmissions tend to provide smoother acceleration and deceleration, which can make for a more comfortable ride. However, automatic transmissions may not offer the same level of control and engagement as a manual transmission and may not be as responsive in certain driving situations. CVTs offer a smooth and seamless driving experience as there are no traditional gears to shift. This can be especially beneficial for city driving, where the vehicle is constantly starting and stopping. Additionally, CVTs tend to provide better fuel economy than other transmission types, which can save you money at the pump. However, CVTs may not offer the same level of control and engagement as a manual transmission and may not be as responsive in certain driving situations. Ultimately, the driving experience you prefer will depend on your personal preferences and driving needs. If you value control and engagement, a manual transmission may be the best choice for you. If you prioritize convenience and ease of use, an automatic transmission may be the better option. If you're looking for a smooth and efficient driving experience, a CVT may be the way to go. In the next section, we'll compare the maintenance costs and requirements of each transmission type to help you make an informed decision. The cost and maintenance requirements of each transmission type can vary significantly, and it's important to understand these differences when choosing the right transmission for your needs. Manual transmissions tend to be less expensive to repair and maintain than other transmission types, as they have fewer components and are generally simpler in design. Additionally, manual transmissions tend to be more reliable over the long term, as there are fewer things that can go wrong with them. However, manual transmissions may require more frequent clutch replacements, which can be expensive. Automatic transmissions tend to be more expensive to repair and maintain than manual transmissions, as they have more components and are generally more complex in design. Additionally, automatic transmissions tend to require more frequent fluid changes, which can be costly. However, automatic transmissions tend to be more reliable in the short term, as the computer system can detect and correct issues before they become major problems. CVTs can be more expensive to repair and maintain than other transmission types, as they have more complex components and require specialized fluids. Additionally, CVTs may require more frequent fluid changes than other transmission types. However, CVTs tend to be more reliable than other transmission types, as they have fewer mechanical components that can wear out over time. Ultimately, the cost and maintenance requirements of each transmission type will depend on the specific make and model of your vehicle, as well as your driving habits and maintenance practices. It's important to do your research and understand the potential long-term costs associated with each transmission type before making a decision. In the next section, we'll discuss the future of transmissions and the potential impact on the automotive industry. As technology continues to advance, so too does the world of transmissions. One of the most exciting advancements in recent years has been the development of hybrid transmissions, which combine the efficiency of an electric motor with the power of an internal combustion engine. Hybrid transmissions can provide better fuel economy and lower emissions than traditional transmissions, while also offering a smooth and seamless driving experience. Another emerging technology is the dual-clutch transmission, which uses two clutches to provide lightning-fast shifts and superior performance. Dual-clutch transmissions are becoming more common in high-performance vehicles and may eventually become more widely available as the technology becomes more affordable. Additionally, electric vehicles are becoming more common, and many of these vehicles use a single-speed transmission or no transmission at all. This is because electric motors provide maximum torque at all speeds, eliminating the need for traditional gears. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will likely have a significant impact on the automotive industry. Consumers will have more choices than ever before when it comes to selecting a transmission type, and manufacturers will need to keep up with the latest advancements in order to remain competitive.